And welcome back, you fabulous math masters of Virtual Room 502. We're going to revisit that 48 divided by 4 that we did in the last portion of our concept development. So 48 divided by 4. We're going to break these parts up a little more, just show how it could be done. And watch what we're going to do here. Remember we broke it up into 40 and 8. Well, this time we're going to split the 40 into 20s. So we have two 20s and an 8. 20, 40, 8. So our number bond would look like this. We have 48. We have 20, 20, and 8. Okay? And yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you know what's coming up. You gotta be the copycats. Don't be square, be the copycat. All right. So you have 20, 40, and 8. Okay, that's what's going on here. Let's take a look how we're going to break this down. Let me get a smaller pin out. So we're going to divide each of these by 4. 20 divided by 4 plus 20 divided by 4 plus 8 parentheses. Don't say that too loud or math might come around. So we have all this 20 divided by 4 plus 20 divided by 4 plus 8 divided by 4. So what's 4 times what is 20? Well, we know it's 5, right? 5, 10, 15, 20. And we're going to add on another 5. And we're going to add on 8 divided by 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. And once again, it's going to equal 12. And there we have it. Okay, we're going to move on to another problem. Just kind of ran through that one quickly just to show you another way we can break this down. And our next one is 96 divided by 4. And what will that equal? Well, let's make a whole. Our whole is 96, right? And we're dividing by 4. What we don't know is what number would go up here, because think about it. 4 times the answer, what we get will be 96, right? 96 divided by 4 will be the same as 4 times this number will equal 96. Don't believe me? Just wait and see. So we're going to make another area model of sorts. We're going to be divided by 4. Now remember, last time around we did 4 times 10 is 40. Let's break that up with 40s, okay? So we have 40, 80, and what's left over? 80 to 96. We add 10, we get 90. We add 6, we get 96. So 16's right here. So now we're going to divide each of these segments right here, okay? Let's see what happens. 4 times 10 is 40, right? So we could say 40 divided by 4 plus 40 divided by 4 plus 16 divided by 4. What's that going to equal? Well, let's think about it. 40 divided by 4. 4 times 10 is 40, so this is 10. Plus 40 divided by 4 is 10. Plus 16 divided by 4. I think about it. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4 times 4. So 16 divided by 4, grab that parentheses, is 4. And what's our answer? Let's take a look. 10, 24. We're not going to prove it yet. We're not going to do the multiplication because we're going to go through this one more time. And we're just going to break this down into even bigger units. We're going to decompose it into bigger units. We're going to go 80 and 16, right? 40 and plus 40 is 80, so 80 and 16. So we're going to do 80 divided by 4 plus 16 divided by 4. What are we going to get? Well, 80 divided by 4, we know that's 10, 20, right? And 16 divided by 4, we already know is 4. So our answer is 24. You want to check with multiplication? I do. So we're going to do 24 times 4. Okay? 4 times 4, 16. Bring up that 1, or 10. 2 tens times 4 is 8 tens, but add on another 2, well, another 10, we get 9 tens. So it's 96. And it looks like we're absolutely correct. So 96 divided by 4 is indeed 24. And we can also look at it this way, two different number bonds. We go 96, and let's do this number bond here. It would be, whoops, 40, 40, and 16. And then this number bond down here would be the 96. And what two numbers? 80 and 16. And please be copycats so you really kind of get the hang of this, okay? So let's review really quickly. We have 96 divided by 4. So we could put a 24 up there because we know 4 times 24 is 96. And look, we break it up here to parts, 40, 40, and 16. That equals 96, right? We divide 40 by 4, we get 10. 40 by 4 is 10. 16 divided by 4 is 4, and we get 10, 20, and 4. Down here we have 80, right? And 16 to equal our 96. 80 divided by 4 is 20. 16 divided by 4 is 4, and it equals 24. We're going to do a few more concept developments after this, and we'll see you soon.